You guys, do you know you can actually make money online by simply naming brands, websites, products and services, stuff like that for people? So the first website, as you can see, has paid this person $135. This one has earned $100. This one has earned $300. This one has earned $135 simply naming websites for people. You'll be shocked to know that lots of people struggle with how to come up with the right creative name for their businesses and their websites, their brands and stuff like that, and they're willing to pay people to give them creative names to do that. And I'm going to share with you companies that are accepting creatives to come and name websites and all those things for their clients. So if you're interested in doing these things, then you might want to check out this website. And of course, with the emergence of AI, you can actually use AI to brainstorm names for your clients, and depending on what they've described for you that they actually want for their business or their products or their website. So AI has made everything easy. All you have to do is just give it the right prompt, and then you can use it to make money by just submitting the names you have created. I'm going to share with you places where you can find this opportunity to make money by simply naming businesses and brands and websites for clients, and you start to earn money. Now, you don't have to take my word for it. You are allowed to make your own research before you get started on these platforms, because everything that has a positive side also have a negative side. So the first website claims you can make up to like $300 for one particular name you have provided for a website or for their clients on this platform. Now, the payment proof I showed you earlier is from people that have received money on this platform by just winning naming contests. And if you want to replicate this, the place you have to go to is this platform. Now, how it works is they have a naming contest that they make on these platforms that clients have provided, and people join in the contest, and whoever that emerges the winner wins the prize for that contest. Now, on this website, they have tiers, like people that have already signed up to them, and the people that are in A tier on this platform are the ones that are prone to earning more money, because they have proven themselves to, be providing value and being creative with the names they have provided for their clients on this platform. So you have to work your way up through to be among the A tier creatives on the platform. So all you generally need to do is just to provide good name and good logo and domain name, stuff like that, depending on the contest that you have joined on this platform. So they also have some premium services if you're interested. Everything is stated on the platform, so you might want to check it out. So the name of the platform is atom.com. It is previously called Squad Help. And if you come down here on the website, you can see where it says become a creative, and on this place you can see how to get started here as a creative. So here is the active contest, like contests that people are actively, applying to on this platform. So as you can see, this one is named for a mobile app and it is $300, and this is named for a website and this one is $200. This is $500, and this one has already 2,818 entries. So you see, it's quite competitive. So if you're interested, you might want to sign up to this website. And the review of this website on Atom Shopper is so much, like it's positive, like 4.9 reviews. So people are saying positive things about this website, so you might want to check it out. So the next place is Fiverr. Now, you might not believe it, but people are actually making money by simply naming brands. As you can see here, this one charges from 21 euros, this one charges from 26, this one from 36, from 41. So, and you can see this, as you can see, this one says I will create available names for your business and website and all this stuff. This one even charges 253, and it says, well, our agency will craft timeless brand businesses and products and company names just to name a website. So as you can see, you can actually make a huge sum of money by signing up to Fiverr as someone who names brands and stuff like that for businesses. And hopefully if you're able to get jobs, then you're going to be making money on this platform by simply naming brands for people. So another place you should check out is this website, BrandBucket. Now, this website says here that to keep the quality of the domain submission high, that they require a $1 appraisal fee per domain. Every new account that provides a verified phone number will receive $10 in submission credit for free. If you choose to list your domain for sale, there is no additional fee. So this website is more like a marketplace, unlike the other one that is a contest. This one is a marketplace where you are allowed to sell domain names to clients. So you might want to check it out. They have other things here, like why you should sell with them here on the website. And if you want to know more information, they have made some provisions here for you and how to list your names here. So they have commissions for the sales of the domain, like 30% for names below 10,000 US dollars. They have 25% for names below 10,000 US dollars and 49,999 US dollars. So the prices differ, so you might want to check this website out. I checked out their review and it is quite high. The reviews people are giving it is quite high, and most of these reviews are coming from their customers, people that have purchased from them. I've not really seen people that have sold. So if these customers are saying something good, hopefully the sellers are also going to be saying something good. So if you're interested, you might want to check it out. The name of the website is BrandBucket. Now I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in the comment section. Feel free to tell me in the comment section if you've seen one. Just tell me seen, just type seen in the comment section, and please don't fail to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. We really appreciate you all for your support. Now the next website we're going to talk about is another one where you are allowed to sell brand names and domain names here. Another good thing about this website is if you are into graphic design, product design and stuff like that, you can also stand a chance to be employed through this website, because if you come down here, you're going to see the services here like graphic design, logo design, web design, product design and stuff like that. And they're also looking for designers and namers. So to join as a namer, you click here and you're going to see everything that you expected to know. As a creative, you click this one, but they said at the moment they're no longer accepting namers, so you might want to be checking this website to know when they will be available to accept namers, and hopefully you can stand a chance to register with them and start naming websites and brands for clients on this platform. So you might want to check it out. The name of the platform is Crowdspring, and of course I checked it out on Trustpilot, and the reviews is not quite steady because some people are saying some things positive whereas others are saying some things negative. So the only way to find out if it actually is worth it is by giving it a try, but they are not accepting at the moment. So that is the downside of this website. So you might want to be checking the remaining out. Now, like I mentioned, it is way easier for you to do this because all you need is just go to ChatGPT and give it a simple prompt. It is going to give you the inspiration. It's going to give you lots of options to choose from. So it's not left for you to have the insights to choose the one you feel that can stand the chance to earn you the money that you need. So you might want to check out all these websites. And if you're looking for other ways to make money online, you might want to check out this video showing on your screen. Please don't fail to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.